Hey, Justin Davis here with Honest Abe Roofing. I'm out here in Rockville, Indiana, where there's nothing but beautiful nature all around. And one thing that I like to talk with customers about is how they continually do these repairs on their roof. Each year, each summer, they do these patches, or even maybe you're one of those people that just roofs over every 5 years or so. And I can't help but equate that type of solution to your problem as just beating your head against a tree. Kind of like this woodpecker. Feels like you work at it all day and you get nothing but a headache. The problem isn't solved. So if you're tired of dealing with your problems with your roof, just give us a call. We do free inspections, and we'll get you taken care of the long term. That way you never have to worry about your roof again. Or, you could just keep beating your head against a wall.